Camping in chilly weather demands reliable warmth. The best diesel heater for camping delivers efficient heat, low fuel consumption, and quiet operation. Stay cozy in tents, RVs, or cabins no matter how cold it gets outside. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. VEVOR 8kW Diesel Heater. The VEVOR 8kW diesel heater is a perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable and efficient heating during camping trips or long road adventures. This all-in-one heater is designed to provide warmth quickly without the need for complicated installation, making it ideal for RVs, vans, trucks, or boats. With a powerful 8kW output and a 12V rated voltage, it can heat areas ranging from 215 to 269 square feet, 20 to 25 meters squared, ensuring a cozy and comfortable environment even on the coldest days. The innovative sandblasting aluminum heat exchanger delivers rapid and efficient heat transfer within just 10 minutes, giving users immediate warmth. Controlling this heater is convenient and versatile thanks to its advanced Bluetooth functionality, which allows operation through a smartphone app from a distance of up to 98 feet, 30 meters. For added convenience, it also includes a 32 feet, 10-meter remote control and an LCD display. Users can adjust temperatures from 46.4 degrees Fahrenheit to 96.8 degrees Fahrenheit, 8 degrees to 36 degrees, providing flexibility for any personal comfort level. The VEVOR 8kW diesel heater also features automatic altitude compensation, making it reliable at elevations up to 18,045 feet, 5,500 meters, without requiring manual adjustments. Its precision low-noise fuel pump ensures low energy consumption, using approximately 0.16 to 0.62 liters per hour. Number 2. LF Bros 5kW Diesel Heater. The LF Bros 5kW diesel heater is an exceptional choice for those who need consistent and reliable heat in a compact, portable package. With an output range of 4,700 to 17,000 BTU and fuel consumption of 0.18 to 0.53 liters per H, this diesel heater provides sufficient warmth for spaces such as RVs, cars, campers, trailers, garages, or even basements. Its temperature range of -40 Fahrenheit to 104 Fahrenheit ensures comfort in extreme conditions without the hassle of bundling up with multiple layers. One of the standout features of this heater is its versatility in power supply. It supports both 12V and 24V DC systems and comes with a 110V transformer, allowing direct connection to household outlets without the need for additional adapters or DIY setups. This makes the LF Bros heater a convenient solution for a variety of settings. Setting it up is straightforward, with a detailed instruction booklet and an optional QR code tutorial to guide users through the installation. The included remote control, prepared for ease of use, offers a 100-foot operating range, while the LCD display keeps you informed of the heater's operational status. Safety and practicality are also prioritized. Number 3. VEVOR Remote Control Diesel Heater. The VEVOR Remote Control Diesel Heater combines power, efficiency, and convenience to deliver a dependable heating solution for RVs, vehicles, and boats. Rated at 8kW with a 12V power supply, this heater can effectively warm spaces of 215 to 269 square feet, 20 to 25 square meters, providing rapid comfort in just 10 minutes thanks to its sandblasting aluminum heat exchanger. One of the key advantages of this model is its enhanced control system. Equipped with Bluetooth functionality, users can preheat the unit from up to 98 feet, 30 meters away, using a smartphone app. Additionally, the heater comes with a 32-foot, 10-meter remote control and an LCD screen, allowing temperature adjustment between 46 degrees Fahrenheit and 96.8 degrees Fahrenheit, 8 to 36 degrees, to meet individual comfort preferences. The VEVOR remote-controlled diesel heater also features automatic altitude compensation, ensuring optimal performance up to 18,045 feet, 5,500 meters, making it suitable for high-altitude conditions without manual adjustments. Fuel efficiency is a significant strength of this unit, with a precision low-noise fuel pump that consumes just 0.16 to 0.62 liters per hour, while the 10-liter, 2.6 gallons fuel tank provides continuous heat for up to 16 hours, maximizing convenience and minimizing refueling interruptions. Number 4. HCALORY 12V Diesel Heater. The HCALORY 12V diesel heater offers campers, RV owners, and outdoor adventurers a highly efficient and portable heating solution. Designed with an enhanced aluminum body, this diesel air heater raises air temperatures quickly, providing rapid warmth by increasing the ambient temperature by 18 to 36 degrees Fahrenheit. Its advanced design reduces exhaust gas temperatures by 90 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, improving safety while maintaining a comfortable environment even in extremely cold conditions. Enlarged smoke vents ensure efficient combustion and minimize smoke and carbon buildup, while the automatic temperature control prevents overheating. Fuel efficiency is impressive, with consumption ranging from just 0.036 to 0.1 gallons per hour, offering long-lasting heat without frequent refueling. The heater's compact toolbox-style design, complete with a built-in 6-liter tank and convenient handle, makes it easy to transport, install, and maintain, fitting effortlessly into RVs, trucks, or small outdoor spaces. HCALORY's dual power options provide flexibility, supporting 12V 24V DC and 110 220V AC inputs, making it compatible with a wide variety of vehicles and locations. The integrated Smart app allows for full remote control of the heater, including temperature adjustments, timer settings, and activation of altitude mode, optimizing performance for high elevations. Number 5. GEARLASSO 8 Kilowatt Diesel Heater. The GEARLASSO 8 Kilowatt Diesel Heater is a powerful, efficient, and safe solution for maintaining warmth during outdoor camping trips or inside vehicles. With an 8 kilowatt output and 12V rated voltage, this heater can quickly heat spaces of 215 to 269 feet squared, 20 to 25 meters, within 5 to 10 minutes, making it ideal for cold conditions. It produces 4,700 to 17,000 BTU of heat, ensuring rapid comfort in challenging weather. Safety is a primary focus, with smart thermostatic controls and built-in shutdown mechanisms to prevent overheating, along with external exhaust venting, allowing safe operation even during extended use or while sleeping. The heater's precision oil pump and ceramic spark plug ensure efficient fuel consumption, using only 0.15 to 0.45 liters per hour, and the 5-liter, 1.3-gallon fuel tank allows continuous heating for an entire night, minimizing interruptions. GEARLASSO also provides flexible control options, including a 32-foot, 10-meter remote control and LCD screen, with temperature settings ranging from 46.4 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 8 degrees to 40 degrees, catering to individual preferences. Its compact design, efficient heat output, and reliable fuel system make it suitable for RVs, trucks, campers, or outdoor shelters. Users benefit from a combination of safety, fast heating, energy efficiency, and convenience, making the GEARLASSO 8 kilowatt diesel heater an excellent investment for anyone seeking dependable warmth in harsh weather. It is particularly useful for overnight trips, extended outdoor adventures, or high-altitude use, providing comfort and peace of mind throughout. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.